Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. Here we go. It's day number 3 of how many coins are in Dan's ball. Well, they're out of the ball at the moment, but the ball was there just to prove that they were in the ball. Anyway, your guesses are up on the screen now. Plenty of guesses in there. Feel free to pause it. And the answer to the question of anyone guessing it right, incorrect. You're all wrong again. Still no clues. We're going to keep guessing away just so we can keep the prize pot building. Day number 1 into the prize pot. We saw the Atlantic salmon swimming there. There is the trout. Added today, we've got the Z for Zebra Crossing 2019 version. Very nice indeed. Again, it is simple. Anyone can play along. All you need to do is comment how many coins you think are on the screen. I do know how many is in there. Hopefully the boys haven't taken any away. What a disaster that would be. Don't think they have touched any of them anyway. But there was a number. The number hasn't been hit yet. All of the guesses on the screen. Some of you have been very close though. I don't want to give anything away, but there has been a guess. Maybe even 2. Just having a quick look there. Definitely one at least within 50 anyway. Still a little bit away. Again, plenty of coins here. Don't worry, I'm not adding any in or taking any away. As soon as it is there, we will draw our winner. Again, another coin will get added to the prize pot tomorrow evening if it hasn't been guessed yet. Come on, get those guesses in. All I can say is have a blessed one. Have a great bank holiday weekend. Stay safe. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.